In this time, I will show you how to make Irish floral project. I'm going to work on the back side of the work. We divide our work on some parts. Make a picture in real size, pin it to the mat, then crochet cord on the burden, pin then to the pattern. Continue with the sewing places of contiguity. Crochet cord with beads and sew them together. I fill up all 3 places in the flower and leaves with chaotic mesh. To complete the work, I remove all yarns. Let's begin the work. For work you need mat, picture in real size, 5 balls of yarn, beads, pins, scissors and the crochet hooks. I have already pinned picture in real size on a mat. Now I begin the work from the making this flower. I divide this work on some parts. Firstly, I'm going to make the center part, then crochet the first row of petals, then make the second row of petals. Begin this flower from the cord. I'm going to make the cord on the burden. Burden is a piece of thread in the half 6 times. Now I'm going to make a trim of other kind of yarn and make single crochet around the burden. I pull a little bit and continue working with single crochet stitches. So continue working in this way till the end of the burden. The length of the cord you determine by pattern. I have done the cord. Here how it looks. As you can see, I made the round element of this cord. I sew the places of contiguity, and I remind you, we are working on the back side. I turn the work, and now I pin this element to the painting. At this point, I'm showing you how to make the bride to connect 2 pieces together. I begin from this point. Before beginning, with the needle go through the stitches along the round element. Now I begin from this point. With the needle go through the stitches on the opposite side. And now with the needle go through the stitches on the opposite side. I secure the thread. With the needle go through the stitches one more time. I am working in backwards direction. Wrap this thread 1, 2 and 3. Work with small thread. With a needle, rub the thread 2 or 3 times. I have done 1 bride. In total it should be 5 brides. As you can see, I have done the exact central part of other flower. Here how the front side looks like. Then I pin it. I'm making cords for the first row of the petals in the flower and pin them on the pattern. I remind you, we're making the first row of petals in the flower. I did the cord in the same way as I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial. I used 2 kinds of blue color. I pinned them, and now I show you how to fill up the inside of this leaf or petal. I begin from the first petal, then continue with the second one. I use 2 kinds of blue color. Make a chain, 1, 2. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and double crochet into the chain space. Chain 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the chain space. One, 2, 3, 4 chains. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and double crochet into the previous chain space. Chain, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. So you should continue crocheting by yourself in this way. I have filled up with chaotic mesh the first row of petals. At this point I will use transparent oilcloths. I put oilcloths and pin it on the first row of petals. As you can see, I leave some space from the center. Let's pin oilcloths. I pin it. Now I determine the length of the cord by pattern and make a cord for the second row of petals in the flower. and you should ready cord, and you should pin ready cord by pattern. I have done the cord on the burden and pin it on the pattern. I sewed the cord of the first and the second rows with each other in these places. Now let me show you how to fill it up the second row of petals. I use 2 colors of yarn. I begin the chaotic mesh. Now I show you how to connect the first and the second row. Make a chain, remove the hook, this is the end of the piece. I insert the hook into the chain space of the first row, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat again. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space of the first row, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook, turn the work, insert the hook into the cord of the second row, make a chain of 2, insert the hook into the cord of the second row, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain, 1, 2, 2 chains. As you can see, I have done the joining points. Then I'm going to fill it up with chaotic mesh inside of this petal. I have done the small flower. This big flower was made in the same way as I showed you in the video. This is the first row. This is the second row. Let's look at the front side of this flower. It is the beautiful gorgeous flower in Irish lace. I did a trim for this flower on the front side. The trim was made with single crochet stitches. We have done the flower. I have filled up all inside places of leaves or petals. Also I did trims and pinned this flower to the painting. Next thing, I'm going to make stalks. The stalk is the cord made on the burden. Then I work with single crochet stitches into the back loop or into the front loop. You should work with one loop of each stitch. I pin ready cords on the painting. Then I did leaves. For this I made cords on the burden, pinned them. I filled up all 3 places with chaotic mesh. Inside of this leaf I use 3 colors of yarn. Then I turn the work to the front side and make a trim for this leaf. Ready leaves I pin on the painting. Now I show you how to make the cords with beads. For this I take thread in the half 4 times. I use dark color of yarn. It is going to be a burden. Now insert the hook into the loop. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Before the work, I thread beads onto the working yarn. Make a chain and single crochet around the burden. Pull it a little bit. Now chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Draw seed bead. Chain of 2, 1, 2. Draw seed bead. Chain of 2, 1, 2. Draw seed bead. Make a chain with bead and chain more. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook around 3 chains. Make single crochet. Continue working with single crochet stitches around the burden. We have made seed bead with chains. Here how it looks. Now you should continue by yourself. Here what we have at this point. As you can see at the beginning I used 3 seed beads, then 2, and at the end I use 1 bead. The ready cord we pin on the painting. Then we sew all elements together in the places of contiguity. We have done all elements, have sewn them together in the places of contiguity and remove all yarns. This is the back side of the work. I attached this project from the mat and the pattern. This is the front side of our project. Today we have learned how to make beautiful floral project in Irish lace technique. I remind you, we are working on the back side of this project. I used cords on the burden, different colors of yarn. Also, you have learned how to make chaotic mesh. For more beautiful look, I used seed beads. Thanks for watching.